Hey, what's up? I'm gonna assemble a star. So, okay, here are the pieces. You can see them. I don't have the advanced camera, as you know, or may not know, to zoom in and stuff. So I'm just gonna put this thing together. Goes like this. Oh, come on. Right there. Sits like that. Shit, crap. Alright, so that's that. And then this piece goes here, sits right in here. Alright, this goes right here. Alright, and that sits up like that. And this piece goes here, that sits like that. And then finally, this goes in like that. There it is, a star. Wish upon three-dimensional star. That's pretty neat. Symmetrical star. So there it is. I've seen videos of people doing the Rubik's Cube thing. Almost got it solved. Thank you. The tips have been helpful. Haven't gotten it solved yet, but almost got it. So I got it's pretty neat. So there's the star, and that's relatively simple to do. It ain't hard. It's pretty easy and pretty fun. I have one more math thing. I'm not gonna be doing too many of these, but here's something I did like 4 years ago. I just came up with my own way of getting digits of pi. Wait, hold on. So I came up with 10 digits of pi. So what does that mean? I guess nothing, but it's pretty fun to do. So if you want to, you can add to it and see how many digits you can come up with on your own that of course match up the same digits as pi. And you know, there's thousands, an infinite amount of digits, so see how many digits you can play with, just to see how many you can get if you have the time in your hands to do that. I'm going to attempt to try to write it out on this thing. This thing writes terribly. Apologize for that. I wish I had like a clipboard to add to. But that's supposed to be a 2. This is a plus sign. Plus sign. Alright. Here's a number 5. Alright. And this is the square root. As you know, the square root is the opposite, or like if you have 2 squared, square root gives you back the original number that you squared. So you're square rooting it, giving you the root number that you square, as I'm sure many people already are aware of. So let's see. So if you have 9 over divided, we do this division symbol here. You could do the line thing either way. Divided by 1, 7, 2, 646. 646. Put it over here. We'll just pretend that's a 6. Okay, there we go. Minus, on the calculator you would put 0.00000439997 because of the functions. But so you can also write that as 4.39 I'm sorry, 439, not 0.39. 439, 439, 439, 97, 97. We'll just say nanu, which is the same thing as 0.97 times 10 to the negative 9th power. So then you minus that again, minus, and a calculator would be minus again, minus 0.000000026. You can also write that as 2.6 nano, or 2.6 times 10 to the negative 9th power. And this thing will give you, and that will give you, equals 3.14. Oh, come on. 0.14, 159. I don't understand why this touchpad is so difficult to use. It's not user friendly. I recommend you get a wireless mouse for your laptop. Touchpad, it's terrible. It sucks. Pretty much. 159, 2656, or 2655. If you were to put pi, I'm sorry, in your calculator, you would get 2654. But I have 3 here. But earlier I had a 6 when I was first starting in the equation. So as I built it, the digits would start to fall more in place. Originally, when I didn't have the minus 2.6 nanu, or times 10 to the negative 9, I had 3.141592656, but as I put that in, the minus 2.6 nanu, it gave me 3.141592653, and there's another number that would pretty much round it up to 4. So there you are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Technically here that's 9 digits. There's another number that isn't on the paper that would add that to a 4. So really, okay, 10 digits of pi. Just for fun, you know, and just if you were to add to it, just to see how many digits you can get of pi without doing the circumference of diameter over a circle, or C over D. I'm just manipulating numbers just to get digits of pi. Why not? Let me see, what else do I want to talk about? Some crazy ass stuff has been happening in the news, but as I'm sure people are aware, I'm not sure if I want to be another person to talk about all that all over again. But I will say that I'm sure some comedians would take a stab over the recent tragedies, such as the theater shooting, and you know they shouldn't, out of poor taste. Most won't, but some will anyway. And if they're, you know, brilliant at their craft, they'll find a way to justify the reason for doing it, and they'll find some other answer to. But it's not cool, not funny, really, and it's terrible. But it's no surprise. Just another psychopath or sociopath, same thing, pretty much. So other than psychopaths in the world and this and that, and you know, things are pretty good. It's a nice sunny / rainy day, and another day to post this on YouTube. I might get maybe 5 hits for this one. I don't know, maybe 10. Anyway, see ya. Peace.